the leap that we have to take at some point in our lives. And that leap is the leap to freedom. We just made it to kind of the Battersea Power Station. That was the first light installation over there. You can see this one here. Wow, here's the power station up there. Didn't want to film down there just because there's some guys doing some military fitness punching bag thing, and also the train was going over the top, as you can probably hear now. But yeah, quite magical down here with all the lights on the trees and the pontoons and the light installations. Yeah, really nice to see. Really nice, really nice, really nice. Let's go check it out. There's the Battersea Power Station, made famous, or well, obviously it's made famous because it's a power station, but also it does appear as a painting on one Pink Floyd album, I think called Animal, something Animal, something. I'll maybe flash it up here. But anyway, this is part of the Light Festival. And these are digital origami tigers, and they were created by a, I guess, multimedia some sort of light LED company called Lava from Australia actually, and they were created in 2010, or they were first on display in 2010, and have been moving around the world ever since. Obviously, so originally made in Australia for Chinese New Year, which, if you do or do not know, this year is now the year of the tiger, I do believe, and it goes in a 12-year cycle. So much like the zodiac, where it's a 12-month cycle, so one every 12 months changes in the Chinese zodiac, or Chinese, yeah, I think it's Chinese zodiac as well, changes every year over the course of 12 years. So I am the pig, I believe. Not sure what Usher is. What is Usher?
I'm here.
No, which Chinese? Which Chinese is zodiac? Chinese zodiac are you?
I'm the bull.
The bull?
Yes.
Yes, and this is the tiger.
Oh.
Yeah. So there you go. This is another piece that we're going to go down and around and around. Part of the Light Festival. It's called Run Beyond. Gosh, you can't see me at all. Run Beyond by Angelo Bonello from Italy. And yeah, it's called Run Beyond, if I haven't said that already. But yeah, basically we're going to go through here. And you can see it's all these LED kind of lights all the way along here. I think the idea of it, or well, having read part of that, the idea behind it is that it's kind of the leap that we have to take at some point in our lives. And that leap is the leap to freedom. Yes, and here it is here. Okay, I think we're gonna go to this one over here as well. See you over there. Really nice down here actually. It's a bit cold. It's quite nice, kind of just place to hang out. Like, well, I guess without the light installations it would be just the power station, but the power station itself is quite nice. But yeah, also along the front there, behind Usher, along here and also down that way more as well, are like some cafes, bars, restaurants, Yeah, various other things. There's like you know, like some gyms and I don't know, generally whatever weird little retail-y places you could think of. Yeah, but you know, right down here by the river, obviously the power station is being, I think it's still being redone. I'm not sure if it's actually fully open now. It does still have some fences around it. Okay, well, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. It looks like they had the signs in the wrong places. So actually, this one is called Eternal Sundown, and then this one, which is actually quite obvious, is The Leap. Right, so it's actually whatever I said before. I can't remember. But The Leap to Freedom, that one. They just had the signs mixed up and around the wrong way somehow. I don't know. But yeah, this is definitely a leap to freedom, right? Yes, that makes more sense. But yeah, really cool because it kind of gives this dynamic look of like motion, right? But it's actually just static LED kind of frames of a human body, but then going into this. Just going to give you a bit of a history of the power station. It was, well, it started kind of construction in 1929, I believe, and then they were decommissioned in 1975 and 1983. So decommissioned, and then obviously now they're kind of having this revamp of the whole thing. It was, I didn't say, it was a coal power station, so you know, shoveling all the coal in there and then making electricity for London, and it is obviously in like that Art Deco style, you know, very much similar to, I don't know what the Chrysler building, for example, in New York, obviously not here. Yeah, so you know, great history, and now, you know, great London landmark, and now it has become various restaurants. I think they're still building stuff in there, restaurants and like apartments and shops and etc. I don't really understand this wall. It's a bit I guess a lot of English culture, British heritage, you know, pop culture and stuff. David Bowie, Alfred Hitchcock, London, Rolling Stones, but it's not really London. Also, there seems to be some American stuff thrown in there as well. But it's really strange because this, although it looks like spray paint, it's actually just, it's all printed. It's the whole printed thing. It's quite cool, but yeah, it's a strange mishmash of, I guess, some sort of history of kind of the UK / London / something. I don't know. If you know yourself, let me know in the comments. What is that wall? There's no like actual information about it. Yeah, I mean, it's quite obvious what the various things are, but it does seem to be a bit of a mash. Anyway, yeah, let's go. Okay guys, we're gonna run away now.
Cold.
Yeah, it's quite cold. There's the Battersea staff thing. This is Battersea staff here, Battersea Power Station. Really cool, down by the river Thames. Okay, so we're going home. So do all those things. Subscribe, like, comment down below. What did you think of the place? What do you think of this? Which was your favorite artwork? How about Usher? Etc, etc. See you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting. Okay, testing out a, what's it called? A catchphrase ending superhero catchphrase. What did I say? I can't even remember. Let's drift away let's drift away together. Let's drift again. On the next one. Let's drift again on the next one. Let's drift again on the next one. See you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.